I just want you to know you're the only one that pulls me in. You changed everything, like one small shaft of light flooding into my eyes. I will never see things just the same, but I'm not afraid. And all I have doesn't seem so significant, and at the drop of a hat I could leave almost everything that I've ever known. So here we go. Step out into the wild. There's a beautiful storm in your eyes. We're perfectly intertwined. It's quite alright. You could be my way of life. Sea salt sits on your lips. Birds fall earthward from cliffs. Thought I couldn't do this, but I'm fine, 'cause you're by my side. And all I have, it doesn't seem so significant, and at the drop of a hat my whole world's getting different. So